Tuskegee all the way from Alabama. Tuskegee! Representing. Then we turn like this year. They on Week TV now, Gullah Geechee TV. And they see me, boy, they look for the whole world coming right. Alright, so we got the whole world right here for the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Honey children, if you ain't done get ya like all of them done get ya, you got a little bit of time for get down the creek shore, yeah, and come for join week. You know, we done open up at Skeeter Beach. We going to end right there in Chucktown. That's where it's going down. August 5th through the 7th, the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Go to gullahgeechee.info. If Hunter want to go on to gullahgeechee.info and Hunter come on out for this celebration of self-determination. They done get ya, and we by the water already. So come on, y'all.